Hey everybody, it's Dr. Miller at Liberty Pet Hospital. I'm tuning in today to talk about bathing your dog and cat. A lot of clients will ask me how often, what should they use, what should they look for, and so that's what I'd like to cover today. First, let's start with our kitty cats. Generally speaking, cats are good groomers. They should be grooming themselves and giving their own baths on a daily basis. However, when they get to be overweight, 12 pounds, 13, 14, 15, sometimes 20, that's a very heavy weight for our little kitties. Sometimes they will not groom and they'll need help with cleanliness around the litter box areas. Things may get stuck under their tail. And you might see fur clumping or bunching of hair kind of sticking together or like a mat. A lot of those kitties might need more help as far as more frequent brushing by the owner or maybe even a bath. Not many cats really tolerate bathing by their owners. If you have a medium to long-haired cat, then you want to be brushing more frequently. Frequent areas that get matted are under the armpits, the tummy, and the groin. So if you have a kitten and you can start introducing a brush at an early age and offering some tuna or chicken baby food or something that they would really like, then you're more likely to condition them to enjoy brushing and hopefully keep them mat-free lifelong. If your kitty does look a little unkempt with mats of fur and clumps and things, then you may need help from your veterinarian, hopefully us, or a groomer that grooms cats. Sometimes if the clumping or matting is in multiple areas, the kitty will need a full groom, like a shave down, almost like a lion clip potentially, and then that would give the owner a baseline to kind of start fresh. If your kitty wouldn't allow that groom, then often sedation with a veterinary professional and a line clip performed at that time, or a clipping of mats at that time. Just a caution, please never use scissors with your kitty. Their skin is very thin. Clippers like a gentleman might use to buzz their hair or trim their hair, that's what you want to use to try and clip mats out, but also be very careful. If you're unsure, please seek professional help. When it comes to dogs, my rule of thumb is if they soil themselves, so if there's poop or pee that gets on them as puppies, maybe in the crate, if they step in something or roll in something that's really dirty or stinky, it's time to bathe. If you are petting them and you feel a film on your hands, great time to bathe. Or if you know, they have some other ailment or some allergy or reason to be frequently bathing for environmental type things. As a rule of thumb, our boxer, who does not have any allergies and has short hair, he gets bathed a couple times a year, maybe quarterly, it just depends, unless he gets into trouble and rolls in something yucky outside. Our Great Dane, on the other hand, has chronic allergies, food allergies, and environmental allergies, so her skin barrier is not normal. We'll talk about that another time. And as a result, she gets bathed much more frequently. Sometimes it's twice a week with the medicated shampoo to try and break down the oils and the greasiness I feel when I pet her. If her allergies are kind of well managed for the moment, then it might be monthly or every other month. But again, if you find that you're bathing your pet frequently and it's not because of a soiling or rolling in yucky things problem, then you may want to talk to your vet and see if there's something that you know, they can help with as far as a medicated shampoo. And keep in mind, pets with allergies are going to need a much bigger hygiene plan as far as frequent bathing and maybe topical therapies to help keep their skin and allergic signs at bay than the average pet with no signs of allergies at all. So I hope you found this tidbit of information interesting about bathing. And if you have more questions, please email us at info@libertypethospital.com.